Trump's New Hands-Off Policy with the Middle East by Azlan Adnan May. Fewer lectures, more deals, a pivot toward pragmatism. A transactional turn. President Donald Trump's May 2025 Gulf tour has reshaped U.S. Middle East policy. In a marked departure from past administrations, Trump sealed over $200 billion in arms, AI, and semiconductor deals with Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and Qatar, notably skipping Israel. The message was clear. The U.S. is shifting from ideological posturing to hard-nosed, interest-driven diplomacy. Trump's move to lift sanctions on Syria and meet President Ahmed al-Sharaa, a former jihadist, underscores this pragmatic shift. Rather than isolating regimes over past actions, Trump is choosing engagement as a tool for stability. The U.S. brokered ceasefire with the Houthis in Yemen follows the same logic. End conflicts, don't prolong them. Less meddling, more respect. Perhaps most significant is what Trump didn't do. There were no moral lectures, no finger-wagging on human rights or democratic governance. His administration is stepping back from America's traditional role as global scold, favoring sovereign respect over interventionist arrogance. Trump's approach treats regional players as equals, not subordinates to be corrected. Israel no longer sacred. Trump's growing frustration with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's handling of Gaza reflects a broader recalibration. For the first time in decades, a U.S. president is signaling that Washington's support for Israel comes with expectations and limits. A new doctrine. This hands-off policy may prove more stabilizing than decades of failed interventionism. In backing off from regime change and moral policing, Trump is ushering in a new era, one where the U.S. engages selectively, respects sovereignty, and finally minds its own business. A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope, so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed, now seek the skies, and slowly, clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again. Its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.